Hello, so I left the gym for the preparation of examination, and now our education minister, I guess, said that examination will be going on a open book way. I mean, I will tell you how the open book work. It's like a paper comes to you by a app or a website. You have to download the paper, then you write everything like answer and stuff according to the question. You make your own answer sheet with roll number, enrollment number, and other stuff. And then you have to do this all by watching into your book. You can, I mean, it's practically a cheating, but then you go with this sheet and you give them to the center. I mean, colleges. Okay. I mean, the center who you have nearby you. You can give the mark sheet there. I mean, sorry, answer sheet there, and you will be passed. That's the simple way. So I wasted my 1 year on. I mean, I have never studied. I mean, like really focused way, but I was doing that. I left gym for this, and now my stomach, you can see, it's back on again. It was like going fat like this, but now it's back where how it was before. I mean, I'm becoming fat. I mean, I have take protein. I have work like 3 hours in a day after the first lockdown ended, and now I became the way I was. I mean, it's a little bit bump on the like in here, but still it's not the thing that I wanted from gym. I wanted a slim body from the gym, and I just needed 3 more months to get a six pack, but that didn't happen. Okay, let's leave the things here. Okay, so we have heard lots of news that was coming on here. In this week, there was a lot of thing that was going like you see the Instagram memes, no? I mean, it was technically a propaganda, I guess, that you have voted for the mandir and masjid, and now how you will get. I mean, you have voted for the mosque and the temple, and you are expecting hospitals now. I mean, no one has voted for the hospital, so that is the situation we are having. They are saying that as a propaganda on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, every single social media site, and this is the way of leftist to tell you that they were right at that time. Okay, first thing I want to tell you that this country have never voted for a hospital in his entire history. No, I mean, history is very big, but I am talking about after the independence. Okay. From when the election started, this country have never voted for a hospital. This country have never voted for education. This country have never voted for anything but separatism and what they say, casteism. Yeah, these two things, separatism, casteism, these two things have like a big vote bank, voters bank, and from 70 years we are voting in this way. Now in 2040, a person told you to vote as a religion, and now leftists are saying that this is bad. I mean, you have voted as I mean, you have separated the Hindu in on Muslim into the caste, but Muslim were, you know, tera mera rishta kya wo वगैरह वगैरह, they are all one. They have voted as a one party, but the Hindus were separated into many castes, and that is why the Congress party, the left, ruled the state for many years. And now they are, because of one party told them to vote as a religion, as a Hindu, as a one, now they are saying that why you were not voted for hospital, why you voted for that one. I mean, Are you lost your mind? I mean, I am not able to tell you what I am saying, I mean, in a clear way, but you understand where I am taking my point. I mean, you have done the separatism in all 70 years, and now you are telling people that why you not voted for hospital. Did you ever collect vote for a hospital in your time? No, no. And for one more thing, you are talking about the hospital. We live in a 1.3 billion people's country. How can you expect the hospital will have the same count of bed in? I mean, how? People don't even have the houses to live for this population. How do you expect they will have the hospital also for that amount? I mean, whenever the people tell you to bring a law against the anti-population law or something, I mean, to limit the population, only 2 kids for one couple, and that time you oppose things. You oppose this kind of things. You think this is the religious and stuff, and now we are having the shortage of stuff, every single stuff. Now you are blaming the government for this. The government needs to come with the anti-population law. I mean, something like that. I am not remembering the name correctly, but it is something anti-population law to 2 kids for one couple or this kind of thing. Have they have that in their manifesto? Maybe they will come with it. But the party who are opposing the hospital, like the temple for the hospital, they have never even said a sentence about this kind of thing, that you should only have 2 kids. But no, they have never they have never talked about that, because they wanted a community to vote for them, and their kids will be voting for them. Because if they have one family have 12 kids, they all vote for one, and one family have 2 kids, they all vote for one. Who will win, no? Right? So that is why they were doing that. Okay. So, and one more thing, we have many things here, like the hospital, the I mean, not at that level, but we are doing our best. Our government is doing their best. Our doctors are doing their best. We have ventilators, we have masks, we have sanitizers, we have vaccines, we have everything. So just trust them and do your job. Wear a mask, use a sanitizer and stuff that is listed into the protocol of corona. Okay. I always take a newspaper in my hand, but I never read it completely, because and the thoughts that I have in my mind, they were way more than this. Okay, so there were many stuff that I had to remember, but I am not remembering it now when I was shooting. Okay, the first thing I shoot, I only do 2 or 3 cuts when I go for water or something, but it is like I am talking live to you. Okay, I only take one take in whole video. I mean, 5 take in the starting, but when I start the video, then I never stop talking. Okay. So yeah, people are also talking about rallies that the politicians are doing. I have also talked about that, why politicians are doing rally and stuff. But that was a general concern of mine. But now it's become a propaganda that the other parties want to the BJP that they shouldn't do their rally, because they collect one more people there in a gathering. They wanted the party to lose, that's why they wanted to stop the rallies and stuff. I started as a general concern, and if you are stopping the rally, you should stop every single party's rally. Do not blame one party for this, okay? And if you want to blame someone, blame election commission, okay? And it is not even their fault. They are doing the way they had the best thing to do, because Bengal is not a normal state. They have many many aggressive people there, so you need to control them all at one time. Then that is not possible. That's why they separate it into eight steps, the election. And look into other state like Tamil Nadu, the Puducherry, I think Kerala also. I don't know about that completely. Assam, they all have done their election. They are bigger states, no? I mean, not according to the population, but still they are big state, and they are more educated state. That's why they need just one take. I mean, one step to do the election. But Bengal needs more because I don't know. They have jahils there, I guess. Okay, let's end this, and I will come with more news tomorrow, and I promise this will be continue every single day. Okay. I didn't had any kind of problem. I was just being lazy as I am. That's why in 2 days there was no any single video upload. Actually, I don't know that's even a word or not. I have many doubts on my English speaking skills, but I am improving it. So handle it. No, by the way, no one watches these videos. These are just for my satisfaction. Okay, and if someone watches this, please give a like, and or if you may give a dislike. Okay, bye.